I'm going to be walking you through the room selection portion of the housing application. First, you're going to want to skip on over to the application step selector page. Down here, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you'll select room selection or room change. You won't be able to get to this next step until your time slot has opened. If you've made a roommate group, we suggest that the roommate with the earliest time slot does the selecting for the group, as they will have the most availability to choose from. All time slots are randomly generated, with our early decision students getting priority on the first 2 days. On this page, you will see the updates of the availability in our different halls, as well as a reminder of your different communities and classifications. If you're in any sort of communities, you will only be able to see rooms available to that community. So if you're in a DC Community Impact Scholars, Honors, Lincoln Scholars, University College, the 3-year Scholars, or any of our themed communities such as Sankofa House, First Flight, or Eagles and Community, you will only be able to see halls available for that specific community. Then you want to go down to save and continue. On this page, you will see all of the available locations and halls. So you can select the location. We'll select Anderson Hall. And then here on the left-hand side, you can filter by the floor. So if you want to be on a lower floor or a higher floor, you can filter that way. Then here you'll see the information about the individual space, such as the bed spaces available and the current roommates that might already be assigned to this room. To see their information as well as more information about the room, view floor plans and room info. When you press here, you can see the floor plan of the building. And then down here, you'd be able to view the information of who is already in that room, as well as being able to see their entire roommate profile. Once you've decided which space you'd like, simply add to cart, and then you have 5 minutes remaining before you lose the space. So you want to go down to go to bed placement. Here you'll assign yourself and whoever is in your roommate group to the individual bed spaces, and then select assign beds. Here's just a quick reminder to make sure that you complete your roommate group before you do room selection, as you're not able to add someone into your roommate group after you have selected a space. So we'll click confirm and save booking, and now we have housing for our next semester.